Dear traders, trading stocks is not the only way to make money in the financial markets. Shocked? Keep watching. Traders can also buy and sell currencies in the forex markets. Forex stands for foreign currency and exchange. In fact, forex markets are the most liquid of any financial markets. Let's go over 3 ways in which you can convert currency into wealth. 1. You can make money in the forex markets if you can analyze and predict swings in currency prices. A currency's price can rise and fall for many different reasons. The reasons could be economic performance, elections, central bank announcements, and more. If you can understand the relationship between all these factors and how they might affect the country's currencies, then you can be a good forex trader. अगर आपको फाइनेंस के साथ साथ इकोनॉमिक न्यूज और पॉलिटिकल खबरों में भी इंटरेस्ट है, तो आप एक सुलझे हुए फॉरेक्स ट्रेडर बन सकते हैं. Second, forex trading can be a good option for people looking to invest in liquid assets. In global forex markets, the daily trade volume is more than $6.6 trillion. Let that sink in for a minute. Weekly forex trade volumes are higher than quarterly equity trade volumes. That is, the value of currencies traded in a week is higher than the value of stocks bought and sold in 4 months. If you're looking for liquid assets, then currencies can be a great option for you. Third, forex markets are a good option for you if you are comfortable with a volatile market. High liquidity means heavy trading, and that means the prices will fluctuate quite often. The forex market and currency trading in general has the potential for high earnings, but one must balance out the risk-reward appetite. The forex market and currency trading in general has the potential for high earnings, but one must be aware of their risk tolerance from the get-go. This means there are more profit opportunities, but this also means that the traders need to be more alert to price swings. फॉरेक्स ट्रेडर्स का बाइंग और सेलिंग वॉल्यूम हाई रहता है. अगर आप डेली हाई वॉलेटिलिटी के साथ हाई वॉल्यूम्स में ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, तो फॉरेक्स मार्केट्स को जरूर कंसीडर करिए. फॉरेक्स मार्केट्स आर क्रूशियल टू इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड एंड टूरिज्म. They also provide a vibrant opportunity to savvy traders for generating wealth. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.